Yes, today we are going to do one more activity. That activity is to find the magnetic field pattern produced by a circular, this is circular current carrying coil. So this is the coil. You can see this is the second part here. It is below this and it is above, right? Above this cardboard, right? So this is a circular coil of large number of insulated copper wire. So large number of turns are there, and this is insulated copper wire. So, and ends of this insulated copper wire have been rubbed. इसके ends को हमने rub कर दिया है कि so that current could pass through the wire. If we don't rub the ends, अगर ends को हम rub नहीं करेंगे, इसका insulation remove नहीं करेंगे, तो current will not pass through the coil. It is very important to remove the insulation of the ends of the wire. So this is important point. Note it down, right? And after that we have to find out the magnetic field pattern produced by the circular coil. So this is one end here, this is the second, right? So this is connected to positive terminal, this end is connected to positive terminal, and this end is connected to negative terminal. You can see here. And to see the magnetic field pattern produced by this circular coil, I am going to use magnetic compass. This is small magnetic compass. Already you have been explained, you have been taught that what is a magnetic compass, what is the function of magnetic compass, right? So for this battery eliminator, and you know the function of battery eliminator also, it converts high voltage to low voltage and AC to DC. High voltage AC into low voltage DC. डायरेक्ट करंट ही हमको दे रहा है, तो इस एक्टिविटी के लिए हम डायरेक्ट करंट यूज करते हैं, नॉट एसी. तो रिमेंबर दिस इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. So first of all I am going to place it here near this end, right? इसको हमने यहाँ पर रखा है, and you can see the magnetic compass. It is showing north direction. It is in north direction, right? Now I am going to switch on the current. It is at 2 volt. So I am going to switch it on, and let's see what happens. Here you can see what is happening. So deflection you can see in the needle. Now its arrow is showing this direction. Arrow is in this direction, you can see here. Now when I start changing its position, so see how arrow is changing its position. It's circular, so it's making a circle, right? You can see it is yes, you can see here it is making circle around the end is. So this means magnetic field is here circular. So magnetic field is circular here near this end. The direction here, how do we find direction? To find the direction we use Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. Here current is coming out, ऊपर आ रहा है current, okay, ये नीचे जा रहा है, इसमें नीचे जा रहा है, because it is positive terminal. इसमें ऊपर आ रहा है, इसमें नीचे जा रहा है, तो current is going downward here. So according to this Maxwell right hand thumb rule, thumb is downward and curl fingers are showing the direction of, curl finger जो है ये direction of magnetic field show करती हैं. So curl finger, the direction of magnetic field, direction of current. So same way you can see here north pole is changing its position here. So therefore magnetic field pattern is here circular and it is in clockwise direction. ये इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? It is clockwise direction. ये clockwise direction में है, right? Thumb rule. Now if I bring it here, यहाँ इसको हम रखेंगे तो देखते हैं क्या होते हैं. क्या होता है यहाँ पर देखिए magnetic compass. North pole का देखो direction change हो गया. You can see it is pointing that side now. Now when I change its position, इसकी position को हम change कर रहे हैं, तो देखिए north pole की position भी change हो रही है. देखिए आप देखिए, yes, it is making a turn here, and if I draw the lines here, this will be circular line, circle will form here. So here how do we find the direction of magnetic field? So here to find the direction of magnetic field, again Maxwell's right hand thumb rule is used. It is connected to positive terminal, so you can see the current is going up. So thumb is showing the direction of current, and this curved fingers are showing the direction of magnetic field. So therefore this is you can see anti-clockwise. You can see here it is anti-clockwise here. right? So this way, using Maxwell right hand thumb rule, we can find out the direction of magnetic field here at this end and this end also by seeing the direction of electric current. Now, if I change the direction of electric current, electric current, we will find that the direction of magnetic field is also changed. So I am going to change the direction of electric current. I am going to switch it off. ये हमने switch off कर दिया है, and now I am changing its ends. Now you have to observe after that how its magnetic field is changed. Terminals have been changed, and now you can see if I place it here, so how its direction will change. So when terminals have been changed here, this end is connected to now positive terminal. This means current is going up. So current is this way. Thumb is showing the direction of current, and the curved fingers are showing the direction of magnetic field. So let's see. So I am keeping it here. So you can see the direction of the North Pole, how it is changing. Here I am keeping it here. Yes, you can see how now North Pole is changing its direction. Yes, it is changing its direction. When I keep it here, you can see how its direction is changing. So here again I am explaining. You can see the direction of North Pole. It is like this. So here it is anti-clockwise because the direction of current is upward. And now when we come to this side, let's see what happens here. So here this side the current is it is up, and here current is going down. So let's see. So now you can see how its direction is being changed. So I am rotating it, and North Pole, it is coming clockwise. You can see here it is clockwise. Yes, it is changing its direction here. So here it is clockwise. This current is going down. So here curved fingers are showing the direction of magnetic field. Current is downward direction. So here it is clockwise, and here it is clockwise, and here at this point anti-clockwise. Earlier when current was coming to this end, it was connected to positive, then direction was different. So in both cases you have seen, if we change the direction of current, direction of magnetic field is also changed. Now at the center, what kind of field is there at the center? Now if it is kept at center, you can see it is straight. It is straight. Neither it is going to left nor it is going to right. So here it's magnetic field. This means here it is perpendicular. Here it is perpendicular. You can see it is straight. Now going back, it remains straight. But when it is going nearer this end, you can see its direction starts changing, right? So here at the center, magnetic field is uniform, parallel magnetic field, right? Uniform magnetic field is formed. Now in place of this, if I sprinkle iron powder, now you have seen the direction, and if you want to see, yes, it is really circular, so I am using iron flakes. This is iron flakes, and I am going to sprinkle around it, then let's see what happens. Yes, you can see how particles are arranging. किस तरह से particles अपने आप को arrange कर रहे हैं, देखिए. Yes. तो आपने देखा, ये देखो सर्किल, ये सर्किल्स आयरन पार्टिकल्स अपने आप को सर्कुलर शेप में ले रहे हैं, और यहाँ पर देखिए ऑलमोस्ट पैरेलल है ये. सो इट इज शोइंग दैट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अराउंड दिस एंड एंड दिस एंड इज सर्कुलर. तो सर्कुलर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज फॉर्म्ड हियर अराउंड द coil. I am sure that you must have enjoyed here. Now if we go away from this, तो you can see here particles are not in circular shape. यहाँ particles सर्किल नहीं बना रहे हैं, बिकॉज व्हेन वी आर मूविंग अवे, जब यहाँ से दूर जाते रहेंगे तो तो इसका मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या होता है, वो वीक होता रहता है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वीक होता रहता है। इसलिए यहाँ पर देखिए छोटे छोटे सर्किल बन रहे हैं और जब इससे दूर जा रहे हैं तो सर्किल का साइज जो है इंक्रीज होता रहता है। इफ आई स्प्रिंकल पाउडर हेयर, अगर हम यहाँ स्प्रिंकल करते हैं तो देखिए कोई इफेक्ट इस पर नहीं आ रहा है, राइट। ना इफ आई इंक्रीज द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द करंट, अगर हम करंट को थोड़ा इंक्रीज कर दें यहाँ से, तो यू कैन सी पार्टिकल्स में देखिए, पार्टिकल्स देखो उनमें पोजीशन में थोड़ा चेंज आना शुरू हो रहा है। यस, पार्टिकल्स का मूवमेंट यू कैन सी मूवमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल्स आल्सो। Yes, here you can see particles are moving. Yes, so this means by changing the magnitude, by increasing the magnitude of current, strength of magnetic field is also increased. Now when it is kept here, I have sprinkled the iron powder again. Yes, so here you have seen that on increasing the strength, magnetic field pattern, magnetic field strength is also increased. Thank you.